Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Our day 4 in Madikeri started off with delicious early breakfast. It's called kadabu and it was served with chana curry. It's a local delicacy and we enjoyed every bite of it. Our checkout was timed at 11 a.m. and we had an hour for ourselves, so we decided to shoot few Insta reels, for which I wasn't prepared. After many blooper moments, we ended up with one decent shot. This is on our way to Kushal Nagar. We came by this beautiful place which reminded us of our childhood days from Botanical Garden in Ooty, and we had to make a stop. Later when we googled it, we came to know it's called the Belur Golf Club. It's a vast golf ground, very calm and soothing place to sit and enjoy quality time with family. The view of this place is amazing, surrounded by Western Ghats, a great place for photo shoot. You can find charts, juice and coffee in nearby cafes. All three of us had an amazing time, especially Abigail, running around and rolling over down the hill. Abby, how is this place? Very beautiful, right? Ah! By Abigail. A place as beautiful as this definitely called for reels. Finally, we arrived at our next farm stay in Kudige, Kushal Nagar. This is a beautiful property, clean and well maintained, and is known as Phalam farm stay. It's just 4 kilometers from Kushal Nagar. The dog is already waiting.
Where?
There. Like Sambhavana said, has, right?
Where?
Wow!
Oh, hi everybody. I'm going to come. So I explore some things for you.
Very nice place, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice cottage. Smells good.
It smells like a beautiful, lively place.
Mm.
With the chairs, look at this water, you can keep your makeup here.
Yeah.
And the big mirror so you can do anything. Listen!
Wow! Oh, what's the mouth first to the After settling down, we took a short nap for an hour and got ready to visit the Harangi Reservoir and Elephant Camp, as Abby was very excited to see and feed the elephants. As this place is under renovation, the way to the elephant camp was very challenging and tiring, as it was a climb uphill about 2 kilometers, and as you can see, the road is very unsettling. But it was all worth the trouble as we had a good time with the elephants. Hi! Say, I'm gonna feed the elephant now, Abigail. Wait. Elephant, okay. I'll ask her to climb up. Abby, it can't reach, Mana. Ben. Ah. Tired of eating?
Okay. Have you touched?
Yay! Smart! It's smart! It's smart! Abby, come this side a little bit. Huh. Careful, ma.
Which means there are so many. My goodness.
Because it's non-fishing zone.
Are you seeing it, Abby?
Abby, see
Look at
how many
fishes.
big fishes, Abby. Abby, lift up high.
It's heavy.
Yay! After spending couple of hours and munching on lot of local snacks, we got back to our cottage around 9:30 p.m. and it was already time for dinner.
Abby, wait.
We as couples together enjoy exploring and being one with the nature. The sounds of nature makes our body and soul feel rejuvenated. Especially for the people living in the city, it's like a therapy to unwind oneself from the hectic city life. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow us so that we can bring more such videos to you. Stay tuned for the continuation of this vlog. Until then, stay safe. God bless.
I can't see.